that was made without a camera, without a crew, without a videographer, just a laptop. Small brands don't have to look small anymore. Most people design a shirt, post on a static mockup, and hope for sales. Stop posting mockups, start building brands. You see, today, attention works differently. Still equals scroll. Motion equals stop. Let's check this out. You know, guys, if I had to start all over again from today, no audience, no team, no production budget. This is how I think I promote my shirts. This is how you can take your little t-shirt brand to a whole nother level. Let me show you.
So we're going to be in Kittl video today. So, of course, as you guys know, you can go in Kittl and you can go to templates and you can click on anything, but we're going to do t-shirts today, and they have so many options to choose from, especially for you guys just starting a t-shirt business and you're not really graphics. You don't really do graphics. So I like this one, Dream Until It's Your Reality. And I also like this one. Let's go down a little bit. Make Yourself Proud. So I'm going to play with this one, and I'm going to take the Dream Into Reality, and we're going to use the same font. And then I'm just going to, so we're going to just take that Make Yourself Proud, and then this Dream Until It's Your Reality. We're just going to go over here, and we're going to change it into the same font so that they match, which is really easy. You just grab it, you go over to fonts, and you just change it just like that. You just want to stretch it out to make it all fit. And it's Done Deal Records. We're going to do a couple more things, and they're going to look like this. And you know what I want? I also went in, and you can go right here to illustration, and you can put in, I'm going to put in clouds. You can go in and just click, boom, and a cloud will show up, right? So I really like the, dreaming, your head's in the cloud. So I'm going to add a couple of clouds, and I have some already over here. All right, so now I'm going to show you something, right? A way that's popular is to just do a mock-up. So we can go right here and click on that, and we can go over here to add mockup, okay? And you can go and look at all this stuff, and you can find, you know what, I like this guy right here. Boom. And that is automatically added. Let's zoom in. So we have a really cool left chest, and we can go right here to click and go right here, or we can click right here and make that. Now look at how awesome that looks. That is one way to do the mock-up. All right, let me show you another way. Since we already have this artwork done right here, we can click on that. We can go right here to add smartboard, okay? And you can see right here that it has this little arrow, and we can go down here and we can let our fingers do the talking. I know I'm dating myself with that one. So we have GPT-1. So I'm going to click right here, and we're going to go to look at all of these different AI engines. And I'm going to rock out with Nano Banana. Nano Banana is kind of cool over here. I'm going to write, put this graphic on a guy's t-shirt walking with a panther in the middle of Times Square during New Year's Eve. Let's do the size. Let's go 9:16. And we're going to generate. Now, guys, I am just as anxious and excited as you probably are to see this one. There we go. Wow. Amazing. I mean, just amazing. Now, the reason why I did it, Times Square and a panther, everything, this is the attention age. And if you don't get people's attention like that, you lost them and you may never get them back. And that could be potentially a sale. All right. So let me show you something. Guess what we're going to do? We're going to take this. We're going to go up here. We're going to go right here. And we're going to click Add Video Board. Man walking in Times Square with the panther as people run in fear frantically, trying to get away. All right. And VO3, fast, 9:16, that's okay. Because we want this to possibly be used as an ad. All right. And you know what, man? No better time than the present. Hit it. Generate. All right. So let's pull this over here so we can see. Let's see. Wow. I'm a little blown away. And sign up for the T-Shirt Help Desk newsletter and get the T-Shirt Business Quick Start Guide. We go over choosing a niche, designing shirts, marketing and promotion, buying blanks, pricing, creating an online store, and so much more. And it's free. Link in the description. Now, guys, if all this AI stuff is intriguing to you, if you really want to learn it, T-Shirt Help Desk has courses that will walk you through it. Everything from ChatGPT, ideogram, Photoshop, Image Presto, Leonardo, Midjourney, rasterization, you name it, we have you covered. All right. Now, guys, remember, don't worry if AI is going to take your job. Use AI to quit your job. Links in the description. Now, let's get back to this video. This is just crazy. And you know, there are video generators, right? But see, here's the deal. You have to go over, trust me, because I do this. You have to go over here to do one thing, over here to do another thing. Everything is all included, all right? Your conceptualizing, your designs, your mock-ups, your videos for ads, everything is all in one place. This is crazy. Yeah, let's do the back. So we're gonna do something for the back. So we're gonna go to this guy, and we're gonna add smart board. We're gonna pull this down. Let's put in this prompt: guy standing at the top of the Burj Khalifa with this t-shirt graphic on, cinematic during magic hour, cinematic, beautiful clouds in the sky. Bam. Now I'm gonna go right here to add video board. Man jumping off the Burj Khalifa, flying and pulling out a parachute. I think it got weirded out by jumping off the Burj Khalifa because of suicide prevention. So it gave me something like this. Generate video. Let's go. All right. Let's click that. Yeah. Wow. That's
See,
awesome.
It's not about just designing a shirt. It's about telling a story, okay? With this, I'm saying, you know what I'm saying? Be proud, live your dreams, you know, live up in the clouds. And I'm trying to use the symbolism to portray that. A story, okay? The way the brand is going to be and should be perceived by people. You understand what I'm saying? Up, okay, above the clouds, you know what I'm saying? Living your dreams. Well, at least that's what I'm trying to convey.
So I'm gonna do another one. Drone shot zooming into the back of the T. Generate. Here we go. That is just crazy. And you can add, or you could put this both back to back. This is amazing.
So I took the videos and I downloaded them, and I took one of the shots and I reversed it. And let me show you.
So think about scrolling through Facebook, TikTok, Instagram on your phone and seeing something like this, guys.
Guys, video is the new mock-up. This is not about replacing skill. It's about amplifying it. Big brands hire agencies. Small brands hire AI. But at the end of the day, you can get something on the same level. If I said it once, I said it 1,000 times. Don't worry if AI will take your job. Use AI to quit your job. The barrier isn't design anymore. The barrier isn't a budget. The barrier is your imagination. Guys, if you want to check this out, there's going to be links down in the description box. Have at it. I fooled around with y'all long enough. I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. God bless, and I see you when I see you. Peace!
T-shirt help desk.